Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this lotion applicator from DOWMI. And this is a lotion applicator mainly meant for using your back in hard to reach places. If you're traveling alone, you don't have anyone to help put sunscreen on your back or lotion on your back, that's what this guy is for. So here's what the package looks like. Instructions on how to use it. Cautions before you use it. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's see, the package was a little damaged when I got it, but all good. Wow. Wow, nice bright green handle, flexible, very cool. And yeah, looks pretty high quality. Looks like it'd apply lotion well or sunscreen. 2 applicator tips. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can order this from. And hope you're all doing well. See you for the next unboxing video. Oh, this turns too, I think. Yep, it does. For maximum flexibility. All right, see you in the next unboxing video. Later, guys.